Hello, and welcome to VitalYears Studio. We're very happy you're here today. Let's take a quiet moment together. In a bright, calm morning, perhaps standing in the kitchen, with a simple glass of water in front of you. Today, we are going to talk about something very simple and very powerful for your health. Water. Staying hydrated is one of the most gentle and important ways to support your body every day. Many people do not realize how much water the body needs to function well. Our bodies use water for almost everything, to support the heart, to help digestion, to keep joints moving comfortably, and to maintain energy throughout the day. And the good news is, drinking enough water is something we can do easily, step by step. Let's begin. When you pour a fresh glass of water in the morning, you are giving your body a calm and healthy start. After a night of sleep, the body naturally needs fluids again. A simple glass of water can help wake up your system, support your circulation, and prepare your body for the day ahead. You don't need anything complicated, just clean, fresh water is enough. Take a small sip, slowly, comfortably. There is no need to rush. Drinking water slowly helps your body absorb it better and helps you feel more relaxed. Making hydration a daily habit can support many parts of your health. It helps your heart work more easily. It supports healthy blood pressure. It helps your kidneys remove waste from the body. It supports digestion and can help prevent constipation. It helps keep your skin and mouth from feeling dry. And it can help you feel more alert and energized. Sometimes when the body feels tired or slightly dizzy, it may simply need more water. That is why regular hydration is so important. A helpful habit is to keep water nearby during your daily activities. When you go for a gentle walk in the park, bring a small bottle of water with you. Take a sip before you start, and small sips along the way. If you sit and rest on a bench, take a moment to breathe calmly. And take another small sip. These small actions, repeated every day, support your body in a quiet and steady way. Hydration also works together with healthy eating. When you prepare a light, balanced meal, adding a glass of water at the table supports digestion and helps your body process nutrients more comfortably. Some foods also contain water, such as fruits, vegetables, and soups. These can help support your daily hydration as well. Another gentle habit is to listen to your body. If your mouth feels dry, if you feel low in energy, if your urine is darker than usual, these may be signs that your body needs more fluids. Drinking water regularly during the day is better than waiting until you feel very thirsty. One helpful idea is to create a simple routine. For example, a glass of water in the morning, a glass with each meal, a glass after a walk, and a small glass in the evening. You can also keep a glass or bottle of water where you can easily see it, on the kitchen counter, on a table, or near where you relax. Seeing it helps you remember. Consistency is more important than perfection. Some days you may drink a little more, some days a little less, and that is completely okay. What matters is building a gentle, regular habit over time. Hydration is also a shared experience. Drinking water together, reminding each other, and supporting one another can make this simple habit feel warm and meaningful. A small smile, a glass of water, and a shared moment of care. As the day continues, you may check your routine, noticing how many glasses of water you've had and gently adding another when needed. This is not about strict rules. It is about caring for your body with awareness and kindness. And over time, this habit can bring real benefits. You may notice more stable energy. You may feel more comfortable when walking. You may notice improved digestion. You may feel more refreshed and clear in your mind. These are quiet but meaningful improvements that support your daily life. At the end of the day, as the sun begins to set and the light becomes softer, you may take one more gentle walk, holding your water bottle, breathing calmly, moving at your own pace. And you can feel at peace knowing you have taken care of your body today. Let's gently review what we learned. Water supports your heart, your digestion, your energy, and your overall well-being. Drinking water slowly and regularly throughout the day helps your body function in a calm and balanced way. You can build this habit with simple steps: a glass in the morning, with meals, after activity, and in the evening. And most importantly, hydration is a simple daily act of self-care. Thank you for sharing this moment with us at VitalYears Studio. If this video was helpful to you, please consider subscribing to our channel, sharing this video with someone you care about, and joining us for more simple and gentle health guidance. Your support helps us continue creating calm, helpful content for everyday well-being. Take care of your body. Take care of your heart. And we will continue this journey together. One healthy habit at a time. Medical disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Please consult your healthcare provider before making changes to your diet or fluid intake, especially if you have medical conditions such as heart, kidney, or fluid balance concerns.